Let's get to the yams. This is a smoking sweetness and smoked cream cheese lace version of something that my grandma used to make, but this is a dip. All right, here we go. Smoking sweetness, candied yams with smoked smoking sweetness cream cheese. It's a new trend right here. This recipe makes about 2. So we'll start with some yams, beat it with this mixer, and then we want to make sure to do this a few times where we go in and remove some of the strings because we don't like stringy pie. You're going to want to make sure to clean down the edges throughout this recipe. Next, we'll drop in a couple of eggs, then blend them up, and then we want some sweetened condensed milk and also heavy cream, and blend that up. And then we'll add in vanilla, mix it up, clean the edges, remember, and then we're going to hit it with some smoking sweetness. One of the best on the planet. Drop in some sugar and also brown sugar and mix that up again. Then we'll hit it with some aromatics like cinnamon, cocoa powder, mace or nutmeg, and then a little bit of kosher salt and mix that up. Then you want to hit it with that butter and mix it again. Then cover that up while you set your Rectech to 350 degrees. Then we're going to butter up a skillet just like this. Get your Philly cream cheese and lattice cut it. Just sort of easy, I think. And then you'll cover that with smoking sweetness. Bam. Next, we'll want to put the coated cream cheese right in the middle of the skillet and pour in some of that yam mix. Just don't go over the top. Once your smoker's nice and heated up, you'll set that right in the middle of the smoker so it can catch just as much smoke as it needs. And
1 hour later.
After an hour, it should be nice and bubbly. And then maybe you want to go ahead and dip with some of these honey-made graham crackers, but no. Not so fast, my friend. We need some marshmallows, which are the hardest thing to open. Next, we want to surround the cream cheese with all these little baby marshmallows and then set it back on the smoker just for about 10 minutes.
A few minutes later.
After letting all them baby marshmallows melt, we'll pull it off the smoker and let it rest. Now, this step is crucial. Let it rest for like 5 or 10 minutes unless you want to burn out the inside of your mouth like I did. Here we go. Smoking sweetness coated smoked cream cheese. With the smoking sweetness sweet potato pie filling. That first bite. Woo! Hot. The cheesy cream cheese. The sweetness of those candied yams. And the smoking sweetness just penetrating through. That's amazing. That's a new trend right there. Let's hop on it. Let's go. You can find this recipe on our website, hookshrub.com.